Okay guys, so here's a way to log on to Schools PLP. So I've already given you the link, but I'm going to type it in. So it's rowan.schoolsplp.com, okay? And it should take you to this screen. Now my information's already in there, but I don't want to log in as a teacher side. I want to log in where you guys can see. So I'm going to log in as Jack, so I'm going to put his email address in. So you have to type your whole email address, okay? And then the password is your student ID number, and that is on your Clever badge. So I'm typing his in right now, okay? So now I'm going to log in. So when you log in, now his will look different because he's not in our class. But when you log in, you should have a couple different classes over here. Like he's got social studies and math. You guys should be able to see math and science, definitely. I don't know if you'll be able to see the other ones because I haven't assigned anything in those yet. But I want you guys to focus on science and math. So when you open one up, I'm going to open up his social studies. He's got a variety of different things here, and these are assignments. Now, you guys won't have as many listed because Mr. Bush hasn't assigned him stuff yet, so his will look a little different. But you'll go to like the first lesson that's listed. So let's pretend that this is the first lesson listed for you guys. You're going to click it, and you're going to do it. Okay, and then when you're done, I don't know what the screen says, like if it says you're done or anything like that, submit. I don't know because I can't do that on Jack's side. He doesn't have assignments posted yet. But then you need to get back to this screen and then do the next one listed. Do it, turn it in, and you get scored, and it tells me how long you spend on it, how many attempts you took on it, how long you took, and if you're focused, all kinds of stuff. So when you're done with that one, you're going to go back and click the other one. Okay? And then when you're ready to work on the other subject, you can go up here and click your name, and it'll take you back to this screen, and then you can click math, or vice versa, whichever one you wanted to do first. And again, yours will look different than Jack's, but you should have some assignments listed here. I would always start with the first one, and then do it, and then do the next one, and then do the next one, and the next one, until you have all of them done. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful, but we have to get to know this website, because like I said in our stream message, if or when we end up going NTI, this will be what you use. And so I want us to get familiar with it now, and I decided to do that today because I figured we'd have some hiccups and I figured we'd have some snags, and I wanted to be able to work through those with you. Okay? When you're done with all your lessons, you'll just go over here to log out, and there you go.